What's up guys? Welcome back to the kitchen, and today we are making red velvet cake bars. Sugar 1/2 cup, pinch of salt, butter 1/4 cup. I've already put 1 egg, 1/2 cup of sour cream. For the red effect, we have red food coloring. Let's try this with 1/2 tablespoon. Another 1/2. 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Set this aside. We have cream cheese 1 cup, heavy cream 1/4 cup, vanilla extract, sugar 1/3 cup, a spoonful of cornstarch to stabilize the cream cheese. Let's bake.